Poor airflow from vents can totally mess with your comfort at home, but fixing it is easier than you think if you know what to look for. So, first off, you gotta clean or replace your air filters regularly because clogged filters choke your airflow like crazy. Next, check for any blockages in your ducts. Sometimes stuff like dust, debris, or even little critters can get stuck and slow things down. Grab a flashlight and peek into the vents to make sure nothing's physically blocking the air either. Also, don't forget to inspect the blower motor. If it's dirty or worn out, it won't push air like it should. You might notice weird noises or less air coming out if it's struggling. Give your vents a good cleaning too. Dust buildup can seriously restrict airflow. If you're not comfortable doing this stuff yourself, calling in a pro for a duct cleaning or motor inspection can save you tons of hassle. Lastly, keep an eye on your thermostat settings. Sometimes airflow feels weak just because the system isn't running right. One of the biggest mistakes people make with poor airflow from vents is ignoring dirty air filters. This messes up your system's efficiency and air quality fast. The fix? Swap those filters every 1 to 3 months depending on usage. Another common issue is blocked or crushed ducts hidden behind walls or under floors. This seriously cuts off airflow and requires a professional to find and fix leaks or damage. Lastly, folks often overlook the blower motor's condition, which can slow down or stop airflow altogether. Getting it cleaned or replaced when needed will get your system back to normal flow in no time. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to easily find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff. Plus, it helps contractors connect with legit work opportunities so everyone wins when home projects get done right.